Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change text size in MS Word. So very simple and easy way. Just select your text and here is the setting to text size like 72 maximum and 8 is minimum. Also you can increase font size and decrease by clicking on it. Using this setting you can make very large text in MS Word document like this. And also another way, directly you make the number, then press enter. Firstly select it. Now make a number to increase, then press enter. So here you can see the number must be between 1 and up to 1638. This is the maximum size for text. So this is the way you can change size for MS Word. Thanks for watching.